Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lottie and Silvis, and in this video I want to share with you some jokes that I have learned. And here's one. Did you hear about the Italian chef who died? He passed away. Did you get it? He passed away. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in the field. Oh, some of these jokes are so funny. Let's see. I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's possible to put it down. I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. I'm reading a book on the history of glue. I can't seem to put it down. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Why did we tell actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. I hope this cheered all of you up. I just wanted to share with you some jokes. Don't forget to watch my next video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!